Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, power steering, rear bench seat, driver airbag, rear head airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.